Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video, we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding, different jute crafts ideas like jute table runners and mats and different cushions and different wall hanging wreaths designs and Christmas trees ideas and jute wall art looks and jute amazing different trees. Jute and burlap crafts are very beautiful and natural, and these crafts give a warm and rustic look to our homes. When we use jute, we feel close to nature. It reminds us that simple things can also be very attractive. Jute is an eco-friendly material. Using jute crafts is a good habit because it helps protect our environment, and we should always try to use natural materials instead of plastic to save our planet. Burlap crafts are perfect for home decoration. You can make wall hangings, flower pot, baskets, and table decor. These handmade items makes the home look cozy and full of love. When you create something, be your own with your own hands, it brings peace to your heart. Jute craft teaches patience and creativity. Slow work gives the best result, and jute rope crafts are strong and long lasting. With little effort, you can make amazing designs. Never think handmade items are small, they carry big value. And burlap craft ideas are best for beginners. You don't need expensive tools. Simple scissors, glue, and jute rope are enough to start your creative journey. These crafts are also perfect for gifting. A handmade gift shows care and respect. Always remember, love in handmade gifts is more precious than money. Jute burlap and jute bottle decoration is very popular. Old bottles can become beautiful showpieces, and this teaches that waste items can turn into wonderful things. Recycling tough thought jute craft is a great habit. It saves money and reduces waste. We should teach our children to use items creativity. Burlap crafts give a farmhouse and vintage look. They are simple but classy. Sometimes simplicity is the real beauty. Jute wall art looks amazing in living rooms. It creates a calm and peaceful vibe. A peaceful home creates a peaceful mind. Making jute baskets helps organize things neatly, clean and organized space. So friends, all ideas is very creative, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. Take care and thanks for watching my videos. Goodbye. Take care. Bye.